model, 66 plate Ford Transit 350 Luton box tail lift starts runs needs turbo repair 123k miles Euro 6 ULEZ No Vat. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 123562. MOT, the 21st of August 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-F. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Engine clutch and gearbox are fine, straightforward turbo replacement job. Grin turbo oil seals have worn. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it.